Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear traditional food lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Preparing the right quantity for every serving becomes easier when each ingredient is measured accurately. That's where the rice with curd and pickle recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Rice with curd and pickle is a traditional Indian comfort meal that's especially popular in South Indian households. Made with soft cooked rice, fresh curd, and flavorful pickle, it's known for its creamy texture, cooling effect, and satisfying taste. Commonly enjoyed for lunch or dinner, it's also a refreshing meal choice during hot summer days. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation and cooking times, diet type, difficulty, calories, and cooking method. You'll also find cooking notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Add optional ingredients like milk, tempering, grated carrot, or coriander to create different variations according to your preference. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities based on the number of persons you've selected. Right beside it, the preparation steps guide you through the complete process from cooking the rice until serving it with pickle. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, wash the rice thoroughly and cook it with water until it becomes very soft. Lightly mash the cooked rice while it's still warm, then allow it to cool slightly before adding the curd. Add fresh curd and salt, along with milk if selected, then mix everything well until you get a creamy consistency. If you are adding the tempering, heat oil or ghee in a small pan and add mustard seeds, urad dal, and chana dal. Next, add green chilli, finely chopped ginger, curry leaves, and hing to complete the tempering. Pour the prepared tempering over the curd rice, then mix everything together until well combined. For the best creamy taste, use fresh curd and soft cooked rice, as recommended in the cooking note. Serve the prepared curd rice with mango pickle, lemon pickle, or traditional avakaya, according to your preference. You can also pair it with papad or fried chili for added flavor and variety. The dish is also commonly enjoyed at the end of meals, a serving tradition that remains widely popular. Whether kept simple or finished with tempering and garnishes, rice with curd and pickle makes a comforting and satisfying homemade meal. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.